Give your next self-paced quiz a whirl with this unique approach to content review and assessments. Unlike Vegas, leave nothing to chance for real retention and engagement. WHIRL offers you cool options to customize your categories and exciting bonus points to better motivate your trainees. Follow the step-by-step tool to create your game in minutes. Content can also be generated via the AI Assist feature for even faster development. Bravo Zone allows you to truly deliver content using slides before and after each question for deeper learning. Play anytime, anywhere, on any device. Drive results with real-time feedback. Bravo Zone captures comprehensive data for every session, helping you instantly spot knowledge gaps and create valuable teachable moments. Ready to transform your training? Use Bravo Zone free in your next training session. Click the Try It button to get started today.